guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download MT4. That's the platform you use to trade Forex. So open my browser, search for MT4, it's already here. Then we're going to go straight to the actual website, www.metatrader4.com. Go to it, download, then we go scroll down, because what we're looking for is download MetaTrader 4 for PC and create a demo account, unless you already have a demo account, but that's what we're going to do. I've already done it, so you click it, it just follows through as any normal download, simple. I downloaded it through my actual broker, which is Traders Way here, so we're going to so I already had it on here. Now this is the platform as a whole. So this is my daily chart on USD JPY, which is US dollar v Japanese yen. So now so as you start up, we'll get a new chart. Let's go to getting a new chart. So you come to this platform, this icon here. Then these are all of the currency pairs that are available. So let's pick anyone, Euro, GBP. So this is how it will first look, yeah, when you first get your currency pair. Now to set up your chart, there's various things you can do. You can double click and then go to properties, and this is where you get the chance to say color coordinate your chart. So you can put all different colors on it, or your candlesticks. So you can change your chart from this panel here in terms of color wise. So we'll go through that now anyway. First things, we're going to change to a candlestick chart. As you can see, this is a solid candlestick chart, yeah. This is the chart I usually trade off. It's the easier chart to trade off. Most traders trade off this of choice, and yeah. So now we're going to go on and say design our chart to your preference. So we'll go to properties. Now I'll leave the background black, sorry. The foreground white, that's fine. The grid grey slate. What we're focusing on is the candlesticks at the moment, which is the bar. So the bar up is the candlestick that will be going up. So at the moment that is green, which is fine. Now the bar down is if the candlestick is going down. We'll make that red. The ball candle literally means going up. So we'll make that green. Lime. We'll make that lime. Now the bear candle, bear, also known as going down, make that red. As you can see, our chart is slowly changing. Line graph, we can leave green. Volume, we can leave that green. Arcs line, the arcs line is when you actually place a trade. It will show on the actual chart itself. One moment. So we press OK. Sorry, we go to here. Go to common. We can do chart shift. Chart shift would mean it will shift with the chart as the chart goes along. We can show grid. We can show separators. But let's first get into that. Now, if you wanted to take away these gridded lines, we will go to here. Show grid. Is it this one? Yeah, done. It's gone. Yeah. So now we have a blank. This is what we call a blank chart. Yeah. The red candles represent the chart going down. So let's go deep into the candles. So the red candles represent the chart going down. Now the green candles represent the chart going up. Now this is what we call a candlestick. Yeah, so as you can see, the candle's moving quite fast at the moment because the market is actually open. This is live at the moment. Now the red candle has what we call the filled red candle here is what we call the body of the candle. Remember, this is an hour chart, so every hour, we're on an hour chart at the moment, so every hour a new candle is going to open. So this is what we call the body chart. This is the body candle. This is the body of the candlestick. Now with this long line here either side, this is what we call the wicks. Now that's what's called candlesticks, so we call the wicks of the candle. But we'll get more into that into another video, but this is just the basics of the charting. Now if you wanted to say add an indicator, now an indicator is something you put on your chart to help you trade. It doesn't actually trade for you or anything, but it helps you analyze or break down the actual chart. So if we wanted to add an indicator, for instance, we'll come to here and we've got all these different indicators we could add on to our actual chart. All these different indicators. So we could go to trend. What is the actual trend? But we'll get into that as well in another video. But this is just a quick introduction to MT4. Now you could put in, say, a simple or say an entry level indicator, which is let's go to relative strength index. Now you press OK. As you can see, this is your relative strength index. Now this is an indicator just to mirror the actual chart above. But again, we'll get into actual indicators more. This is just how to add an indicator and possibly remove an indicator from your chart. So we'll go more depth into indicators in another video. So this is how you add an indicator, and you can add another indicator if you want. So go to the dollar sign with the plus, come down, scroll to here, and these are all the different categories of the indicators that the platform offers. So if you want to put another indicator on, you can put a volume indicator and just go to money flow index. See what comes up. There you go. Another indicator. Or if you want to make a complete different indicator, we can go to accelerator, oscillator. Can you see? Another indicator. So you can add as many indicators as you wish onto your chart. Now to remove an indicator, you double click or middle click or left click your mouse, go to indicator list, and then you click the indicator you would like to remove. So you click it, delete, click it, delete, click it, delete. Now we've gone back to a blank chart. This line here, the white line, is showing us where the price is at the moment. So the price is at, if you go to the right, 0.85995. It's fluctuating meaning going up and down at the moment, but this is where the price actually is live in the market. This is against the euro GBP, so the euro vs the British pound on the hour chart. Now if you wanted to go to different time frames, now knowing this is the hour chart, so every hour one of these candlesticks represents 1 hour. Now if you go to the 30 minute, the M30, one of these candles represents 30 minutes. So each time frame you go to if I go to the M15, which is 15 minutes, every candlestick represents 15 minutes. So as you can imagine, the lower the time frame, the more data you would have to go through, to filter through, I should say, to place a trade. So the more data it becomes. The higher the time frame, the less data. So if you go to the day, as you can see, we're going back, and at the bottom, sorry, the bottom scale is the year, or the time, I should say, or the date. So every candle now on the day represents 1 day. Now, let's go back to the hour chart, sorry. Now, if you wanted to place a trade, for instance, you actually wanted to place a trade now. Hold on, let me change. This is my live account, so let me go on to a demo account. So you go to File. No problem. Now, if you wanted to actually place a trade on live, what you'll do, you'll go to here, there's a little arrow here where it says GBP, Euro GBP, there's a little arrow. This is now called your control panel. You click that and now you'll see this is your control panel to either buy the currency or to sell the currency. It's flickering because it's going in and out of where the market is at the moment. So this is literally the buy and the sell, but we'll get more into this into another video. But I'm just trying to explain to you if you wanted to place a trade. Now you can either press the sell if it's going down, or you can press the buy option, which will go up. Now, this is the basics of MetaTrader 4. We can also, now say you wanted to, you've also got other instruments here, such as shape, like you could draw a box just to see where your level is. But again, we'll get into the levels and stuff like that. But this is basically the main video for just downloading MetaTrader 4 and getting started on your platform. But yeah, most things, all the other things we'll put down into another video regarding how to place a trade and how to use different time frames. But yeah, thanks for watching.